If you love fresh, light, and clean scents, eto yung mga perfumes na marirecommend ko. Mostly under 1K yung mga perfume dito, but I think yung pinaka-expensive dito is around 1.3. All of these perfumes, hindi nakakahilo, hindi matapang, and very affordable. So for those of you na students, nagwo-work, or kaya you're just at home and you want to smell good, hopefully may magustuhan kayo sa mga reco ko because I love and use all of them. At yung first recommendation ko, this one is from RMG Angel Sky, and at yung pinaka-affordable sa lahat, guys. This is only 180 pesos. Milk plus rice yung name nito, and by the name, I think alam nyo na kung ano yung inspo nitong perfume. And that is yung Johnson & Johnson na Milk plus Rice Body Wash. Literally smells like that. Clean and soapy. I think that is the best way to describe this. Literal na amoy baby kayo kapag ginamit nyo to. Just envision, nag-shower kayo but yung ginamit yung body wash is for baby. That is the vibe of this one. May slight creaminess din siya actually, but in a very natural way. Hindi siya yung amoy dessert, hindi siya yung milky na malagkit or malapot. Very soft, subtle, and plush lang. This one is from Perfume Dessert and it is called Cucumber Melon Cooler. As you guys can see, ang dami na niyong bawas. Gamit na gamit ko to. This literally smells like cucumber and melon combined. Just think of a cucumber melon juice. Super light and fresh, a little bit sweet but in a very natural way. Yung sweetness ng melon, ganun lang siya. Hindi siya yung parang, you know, sugary sweet. Hindi malakit yung feeling nito sa skin even though meron siyang touch of sweetness. A little bit watery as well in a way. Almost like translucent. Ganun yung vibe. This is really good, guys. One of my go-tos and ayan, proof talagang ginagamit ko. This one is from Zara and it is called Vetiver Pamplemousse. Another perfume na as you guys can see, talagang ginagamit ko rin and marami ng bawas. Super refreshing ng amoy. And very photorealistic. This one to my nose, basically straight up, amoy pomelo siya, amoy suha. Just think of a pomelo, binabalatan nyo siya gamit yung kamay, tapos yung balat niya napunta sa kuko nyo kasama nung juice. Kuhang-kuha nito yung bitterness na meron sa balat ng pomelo combined sa juice, yung sweetness and yung asim. Ganun na ganun yung amoy nito. Super nice kasi parang totoong pomelo talaga siya na nilagay dito sa perfume bottle. Sobrang fresh and crisp ng pagka-citrusy na tong perfume na to. This one is from EC and it is called 551. This is one of those perfumes na mapapasok nyo sa category ng My Skin But Better. Very inoffensive. More of an intimate perfume siya. Close contact. So, hindi siya loud, hindi intense. Very My Skin But Better siya again. But meron tong green apples. So, meron siyang slight sweetness, especially sa opening. If you guys are familiar sa perfumes like Juliet Has a Gun, Not a Perfume, Superdose, Molecule 01, and another 13 ng Lalabo, that is basically yung vibe na tong perfume. Fruity and musky, basically yung scent profile nito. But I think yung perfume bottle yung best way to explain kung ano yung scent niya. Kasi slightly meron siyang pagka-metallic. Metallic but in a good way. Hindi naman siya yung amoy kalawang. You can also consider it as a skin-enhancing scent actually because again, ayun nga, it gives you that My Skin But Better vibe. This one is a perfume na kapag kasuot nyo, parang natural lang kayong mabango. This one is from Body Fantasies and it is called Wedding Day. Perfectly named kasi sobrang soft, subtle, and delicate nung amoy niya. Fruity floral yung scent profile nitong isang to. Initial spray, citrusy yung amoy niya with slight sweetness. But the longer you wear it, lumalabas yung white florals niya. Slightly soapy as well. Medyo may pagka-shampooy vibe. So if ganun yung hinahanap yung perfume, I think you will enjoy this. Wedding Day yung name niya, but of course, any time of the day naman, pwede nyo siyang gamitin. But yung vibes kasi na binibigay niya nga, again, very delicate, soft, hence the name Wedding Day. Other perfumes na clean, amoy detergent, amoy panglinis ng CR, amoy car freshener. But again, this one more of a feminine, shampooy way. This one naman is from Bath and Body Works, and yung name nitong perfume is If You Musk. This one is from the Everyday or Daily Luxuries collection, and as you guys can see, ubos na ubos ko na. I love this one so much, and I think ito yung pinaka-ano talaga guys, the ultimate My Skin But Better perfume. Notes of this one is iris, pink pepper, and musk, and in case you guys are wondering, this one is actually inspired sa Glossier You perfume. And in all fairness, sobrang lapit ng amoy nito sa OG na Glossier You. And even sa comforter ko, ini-spray ko to guys, kasi sobrang comforting, sobrang cozy, and ang ano lang niya, ang calming ng amoy. Basically, yung amoy nito guys is musky na slightly peppery and powdery. Sobrang addicting na amoy niya kasi ang smooth, ang swabe lang. This is such an amazing body mist, and hopefully soon mag-release ang Bath & Body Works ng EDP version nito para mas long-lasting and mas potent. Again, this is a body mist, 230 ml. Sobrang dami kong perfume guys. So, The fact na nakaubos ako ng ganitong kalaking bottle means na talagang gustong-gusto ko yung perfume. This next one is called Carefree. This is by the brand Calmello, which is by Cristal Fulgar. This literally smells like baby cologne, guys. Straight up. If you love perfumes like Johnson & Johnson na kulay blue, yung Givenchy Tartan, Nenuco, ayun, yung mga ganong vibe, yung very light citrusy na literal na amoy baby. Eto yung perfume na perfect for you. Very calming yung citrusy notes na meron dito. Hindi siya yung amoy lemon na sobrang, acidic or sharp. Very mellow, soft, with a touch of sweetness. Ganun yung amoy na to. Of course, hindi pwedeng hindi natin i-include sa video to, guys. The classic and timeless White Musk by The Body Shop. Probably one of the most popular, fresh, light, and easy on the nose perfume there is. One of those perfumes as well na very skin-enhancing yung vibe and gives off that natural na mabango yung skin. It's musky but slightly powdery, sobrang smooth. Kalmado lang yung amoy niya, hindi nanununtok, hindi nananapak, and very mass-appealing as well. This one is from Squad Cosmetics and yung name nitong perfume is Dream. And eto namang perfume na to, perfect siya if mahilig kayo sa mga powdery perfumes. Powdery floral kasi yung scent nito. Just think of an expensive baby powder na may floral notes. Ganun na yung vibe niya. Parang yung mga ginagamit sa salon, especially yung mga old salons, ganun. Tender care na kulay pink, something like that. Hindi specifically ganun yung amoy niya ha, but ganun yung vibe. Very timeless and classic in a way, yung pagka-powdery nitong perfume na to. And very light siya. Kasi di ba may mga powdery perfumes na parang sobrang heavy and ang kapal nung feeling niya kapag ini-spray. This one definitely hindi ganun yung vibe. This one is from Avon and ito yung isa sa newest perfumes nila called Bambuzi Cocktail. Slowly becoming one of my go-tos and favorites kasi guys, sobrang refreshing and uplifting nung amoy nito. Scent of this to my nose basically para siyang Sprite na merong green tea and lemon. Super nice na amoy niya, especially kapag mainit, perfect. Actually, may pagkaano nga rin spa-like yung amoy niya. Yung green tea sobrang potent, it's very earthy. Citrus niya, it's very zesty, very tangy. Tapos para siyang may fizziness na very reminiscent of Sprite. If you're looking for a citrusy perfume na hindi yung typical na, true and true citrus lang, this one from Avon, baka magustuhan nyo. This one is from Lucky Beauty and it is called Letters from a Woman. And meron siyang kaamoy na designer perfume and that is Louis Vuitton's California Dream. Citrusy and musky yung scent nito. But yung orange na meron dito, hindi siya yung typical na amoy orange juice na sweet. Just think of orange kasama yung tangkay na may dahon. Yung combination ng amoy nun, ganun siya. Also, a very linear perfume. So, kung ano yung amoy niya sa initial spray, until mawala to sa clothes and skin, ganun siya. Ganun yung amoy. Consistent na citrusy and musky lang siya. Another classic and timeless perfume for everyday. This one is Elizabeth Arden's Green Tea Perfume. Scent of this is basically combination ng green tea, citrus, and florals. Jasmine to be specific. It's green and earthy. It's fresh. Very soft floral na slightly sweet. Tapos di ba meron din siyang mint. So it added that extra freshness and coolness. If you're planning to collect fresh perfumes, I think ito isa sa mga perfumes na perfect for starters. Kasi talagang magagamit nyo siya. Another one from Avon and super cute ng bottle, diba? This one is called Endless Sun. This one is a fruity perfume and eto naman perfect siya if naghahanap kayo ng something na amoy body wash. Peach body wash to be specific. Kasi to my nose, that is basically how this one smells. Fresh and clean yung amoy niya but at the same time fruity. And yung peach note na meron dito guys, hindi siya yung sweet or sugary sweet, hindi amoy candy. So talaga nag-complement siya really well doon sa soapy and very shower gel vibe ng scent. Sobrang underrated ng perfume na to. I don't know why ha, pero parang wala ako masyadong nakikita nagre-review or nag-share about this sa kahit anong social media. But this one is really, really good, I promise. Feminine and cheerful yung vibe niya. These two are from O2O and yes, you heard it right guys. Meron na ring perfume ang O2O. And ito yung first na marirecommend ko which is called I Am Me. This one is a fruity scent and basically combination siya ng pear and melon. Juicy and dewy. I think that is the best way to describe this scent. May slight floral din siya actually, white florals. But true and true sa fruity notes talaga siya nagpe-play. It's slightly sweet but overall, fresh pa rin. This next one is called Infatuation and this one is a citrusy perfume. This one smells like lime. But hindi super acidic or super acid nung pagka-lime niya. Actually, the longer you wear this, may slight sweetness na lumalabas. Tapos yung base nito is also musky. So, ang ganda ng combination, ang ganda ng balance. Meron siyang depth. This one is from a local brand called Al & Marie and yung name nitong perfume is Apollonio. Slightly may pagka-baby cologne vibes din siya, especially yung citruses na meron dito. But what I like about this is yung mga notes na meron sa base kasi meron tong vanilla and sandalwood. And I love it kasi it added that creaminess to the perfume but not in a gourmand or parang dessert way. So basically, parang nagbigay siya ng depth sa perfume. So, it became that creamy citrus floral. Again, very reminiscent of baby cologne, but elevated and more feminine. We have another one from Perfume Dessert, and this one is called Plum and Black Locust. And this one is actually yung isa sa mga favorite perfumes ni Ivana Alawi. And gets na gets ko siya kung bakit. Kasi sobrang perfect for daytime nitong scent na to. Sobrang fresh ng fruity notes na meron dito. Smells like peach and plum combined to my nose. And very juicy. Para siyang plum juice, peach juice na pinag-combine, pinag-mix. But yung organic ha, yung walang sugar na added, ganun na ganun yung amoy nito. Hindi siya amoy candy. Very natural, very organic, fresh, and realistic. Anyway, that's it for today's video. And hopefully nag-enjoy kayo guys. I tried to share as many as I can na iba-iba yung scent profile so that you have options. If you have any request, of course, especially perfume videos, just let me know. Like yung mga alternative for expensive perfumes, mga dupes, yung mga favorite kong sweet scents, Arab perfumes, designer perfume recommendations and favorites. Ayun, just let me know guys. Gawa natin ng video because kung hindi niyo pa alam, I collect perfumes as well aside from makeup, and sa TikTok actually, halos lahat ng mga videos ko puro about perfumes. Bye!